waiting on this interior, man. Biker slash motors. Keep something coming for y'all, man. This is how we be coming in Baton Rouge. This is my partnership. B, what yours is? 77? 77 colors. I got the 75 like this. He taking his time with his, he ain't playing with it. Kind of hard back there, girl. She ain't working with too much.
That's a Brandon.
Yeah, more they're nice though. That's what you call crate motor. That's the outcome of a crate motor. Fresh off the crate, man. This that Honor work. No Honor? Over there on Greenwell? Honor did that though. Alright, bro, I might go by the shop today and check on my cut dog, bro. He passed over, yeah. He ain't almost ready yet, but shit, he need his back glass and he waiting on his interior to get out the shop. Shit, that bit look nice. You know, they just dust this. Cause he gonna put a top right here, you know, the top go like from right here, then it go around. What color top you going with? Wait. Burgundy? Maroon? That's about the same color. You got electric sunroof? Got electric sunroof up in that junk.